You think the universe is peaceful and stable? Think again. Because right now, at this very second, everything you've ever known could vanish, instantly, without a trace. Yeah, I'm talking about the most terrifying theories in all of physics, and by the end of this video, you'll never look at the night sky the same way again. But here's the thing, this isn't just about fear, it's about awe. Because once you realize how fragile reality really is, you start to appreciate the miracle of simply existing. So, before the universe decides to hit the cosmic reset button, hit that like button first. Let's dive in. 1. Vacuum decay, the universe's self-destruct button. Imagine the entire universe is sitting in a false vacuum. It seems stable, but it's not. Deep down, it's like a ball resting in a shallow pit. It looks safe, but one tiny nudge and it rolls down into a deeper hole, releasing unimaginable energy. That's vacuum decay. Imagine the entire universe is sitting in a false vacuum. It seems stable, but it's not. Deep down, it's like a ball resting in a shallow pit. It looks safe, but one tiny nudge and it rolls down into a deeper hole, releasing unimaginable energy. That's vacuum decay. One random quantum fluctuation could trigger a bubble of true vacuum, expanding at the speed of light, rewriting the laws of physics as it goes. There'd be no warning, no flash, no sound, just instant nothingness. Every atom, every molecule, every star and galaxy would vanish as if it never existed. And here's the worst part. This could happen anywhere, at any time. The moment you're watching this could literally be the universe's last. Scared yet? Don't worry, you're not alone. Even the physicists who discovered this possibility admit it keeps them up at night. But here's a small relief. If it ever does happen, you'll never see it coming. Kind of comforting, right? Now I've got to ask you, drop it in the comments. Would you rather know exactly when the universe ends, or be surprised? Here's the twist though. Vacuum decay might never happen. The universe may have stabilized itself after the Big Bang, so for now, we're safe. Or at least we think we are. But if that didn't make your spine tingle, just wait. The next theory is not about instant destruction. It's about a slow, inescapable cosmic death. Heat death of the universe. The eternal fade. Picture this. No explosions, no collapses, no drama. Just time, endless time, stretching forward until every star burns out, every planet freezes, and every atom drifts apart. That's the heat death, the ultimate ending predicted by thermodynamics. It's the universe's slow fade into darkness, where energy spreads so evenly that nothing can happen anymore. No stars, no light, no life, just cold emptiness forever. At first, that sounds boring, but when you think about it deeply, it's horrifying. Every memory, every work of art, every civilization, gone. The cosmos itself will become a quiet, lifeless sea of dead photons and frozen dust. But here's where it gets really weird. Even black holes won't last. Over trillions of years, they'll evaporate through Hawking radiation, fading into nothing. The universe will become a dark fog of stray particles drifting in infinite silence. And yet, this theory has beauty, because it reminds us that we're living in the warm, bright middle of existence's story. Stars still shine, planets still orbit, life still exists. You're watching this video before the lights go out, so let's appreciate that. If this part of the universe still burns with curiosity, let's feed it. Smash that like button before entropy does. It helps more people discover these mind-bending ideas before we all drift into cosmic cold. The holographic universe. Is this even real? Now it's time to question everything. What if nothing, literally nothing, around you is truly three-dimensional? According to the holographic principle, the universe might be a vast projection. Everything we see, planets, galaxies, even your body, could be encoded on a distant 2D surface at the edge of the universe. Reality, as we perceive it, might just be a hologram. That means what we think of as depth or space is just information, data projected into 3 dimensions. Think of it like a cosmic hard drive. The real information is stored on the surface, while what we experience is just the illusion of depth. This isn't just sci-fi, It comes straight from black hole physics. When matter falls into a black hole, its information doesn't disappear. It's stored on the event horizon in 2 dimensions. So physicists wondered, what if the entire universe works the same way? If that's true, then we're living inside the ultimate simulation, not made by humans, but by the fabric of reality itself. Every star, every atom, even your thoughts, could just be patterns of quantum data dancing in the void. It's both terrifying and liberating. Because if the universe is an illusion, it means everything. Love, fear, meaning, comes from within us, not from outside. So pause for a second, look around, touch something, ask yourself, how real does it feel? Drop a comment if this theory messed with your head as much as it did mine. Okay, I promised you 3 theories, but this one is too wild to skip. Imagine a future where the mysterious force we call dark energy doesn't slow down. It accelerates. Galaxies move faster and faster apart until even atoms can't hold together. First, clusters of galaxies drift away. Then solar systems. Then planets rip apart. Finally, the very fabric of space-time tears itself open in what scientists call the Big Rip. In that moment, the universe doesn't just end, it unravels. It's like watching a painting slowly shred itself until only blank canvas remains. And here's the kicker. We don't even know what dark energy is. It's 68% of the universe, and we barely understand it. It could be the key to eternal expansion, or the reason everything ends in chaos. If that doesn't make you feel small, nothing will. So, what do we take from all this? Vacuum decay could erase us instantly. Heat death could freeze us eternally. The holographic theory could reveal that we were never real to begin with. And the Big Rip could shred everything in the end anyway. But here's the beautiful truth. Even knowing all this, humanity still creates. We explore, love, dream, and ask why. We stare into the darkness and dare to wonder what's out there. That's what makes us incredible. The universe may be terrifying, but we are curious. And that curiosity is what makes us cosmic survivors. So if you've made it this far, you're officially part of the 1% of people who love thinking about the universe, not running from it. And for that, I want to say thank you. Before you go, make sure you hit subscribe before the universe ends. Not just for me, but because there's so much more to explore. Black holes, quantum immortality, alien civilizations, you name it. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into cosmic horror, drop a comment saying, "Still here," so I know you survived this far into the void. Until next time, keep wondering, keep questioning, and remember, we might just be a hologram. But our curiosity is very real.